Hello, my name is William Reynolds. Today I will be demonstrating how to join a Zoom meeting. Zoom is a video communication platform that allows people to attend meetings, classes, and events online. Before joining a meeting, you will need a computer or a smartphone and internet connection, the Zoom application or a website, and the meeting link or meeting ID provided by the host. The first step is to open Zoom. After opening the application, you will see options to join a meeting or sign in. If you already have a Zoom account, you can sign in. However, also join many meetings without creating an account. The next step is to join. Click the join button. Enter the meeting ID provided by the meeting host. After entering the meeting ID, click Join. Before entering the meeting, check your audio and video settings. You do not want your camera showing. Make sure your video is turned off. You can click your microphone setting and choose whether you want to join with computer audio. After checking your settings, click Join Meeting. You will now enter the Zoom meeting. Once inside the meeting, you can use the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to control your microphone, camera, and other meeting features. If you need speak to if you need to speak, click the microphone button to unmute yourself. When you are finished speaking, mute yourself again to reduce the background noise. Some common problems may happen when joining a Zoom meeting. If you cannot hear anything, check your speaker settings and make sure you are connected to a computer audio. If your microphone does not work, check that Zoom has permission to use your microphone. If your video is not working, make sure your camera is connected and turned on. For safety and privacy, only share meeting links with people who are supposed to attend. Avoid sharing personal information during an online meeting unless necessary. One important thing to remember when using Zoom and Zoom connection is to become familiar with the different features before attending an important meeting. Taking a few minutes to test your microphone, camera, and internet connection ahead of time prevent problems and make the meeting experience easier. The simple steps can help users feel more confident when joining online. Meetings follow steps with joining online meetings. Following the steps will help you successfully join a Zoom meeting and participate without problems. Thank you for watching this demonstration.